Izzy the producer, the producer, the producer.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Haha. I smoke a lot of gas, drank a lot of syrup, did a lot of dirt, flipped a lot of work. Ay, walk up in the spot, they like baller alert. Jump up out the truck, got residue all on my shirt. Damn, I smoke a lot of gas, drank a lot of syrup, did a lot of dirt, flipped a lot of work. Ay, walk up in the spot, they like baller alert. Jump up out the truck, got residue all on my shirt. Whoa, I heard you beefing, ain't nobody got shot yet. What? $400,000 coupe parked in the project. $500,000 wardrobe in the closet. Only nigga in the city, 480,
Alrighty. So Gabe likes to do burnouts. We got more tires for the 4th gen for like the 6th time this month for some reason. We're at Perfection Wheels. Yeah.
I'm gonna give it till it's 2:33. 8 o'clock tonight.
They're gonna be bald?
They're gonna be bald like that.
They're out of tires. Got at least 50,000 more miles. That is like the cleanest 2nd gen ever.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Bro, it's brand new. Yo, I'm stealing this.
And it's a freaking 6-speed.
We gotta make a phone call. I need this truck. And the fully polished exhaust. Are you kidding me? How many miles are on it?
66,000.
It's about my 4th gen. That's a 2018. That's insane.
That's absurd.
That's dumb.
absurd.
That's I've never seen a 2nd gen with the working horn. Yeah.
What did you just say?
Hang on, it's running. Nice. Now it's only worth 15K, not 350K. What the fuck are those? I've never seen wheels like that before. That's kind of insane. How many miles does this one have?
67,000. 5 speed.
7,000.
Oh my god.
Oh, we popped the hood. It's got a 2JZ in it. Oh, wow.
That's pretty
It's
perfect.
got the stock freaking airbox and everything, too. Holy shit. It could be yours for $50,000.
Maybe.
Maybe.
If I decided to sell it.
Oh, you got the wheels on it, too, so now it's kind of like 75,000. We got new tires. They're sick, they have tread, and they won't blow out on the highway. But I still don't have floating casts because they're not JTXs, so they don't really matter anyway. Hey, one of the tires is a little rough. I think I gotta level it out real quick. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was about to get smacked.
We said 8 hours, but like 30 seconds went by.
Pretty much.
You did it.
More and more not happy every time I do a burnout. I think that trans is about to... Hey, you know a guy, don't you?
G56.
BD or whatever?
We'll call BD in the morning.
Okay. Alrighty. Me and Brandon are currently ripping Central Illinois over to Van Wert, Ohio. I got new tires put on the 4th gen, so I don't have drag slicks anymore. So then we could make the drive over to Van Wert, Ohio. We're going to Freedom Truck Meet. My grandparents are already there. Actually, they set up my booth and everything for me. Cole brought the giveaway 2nd gen. Yeah, we got Brandon's truck. Brandon's a big old little baby blue truck. Got the 4G, got the GMC on the trailer because, you know, it's a Duramax. It belongs on the trailer. We got the radiator hose fixed. We got new batteries in it. It is perfect, but it's staying on the trailer because it looks pretty on the trailer. Going out to Van Wert. We're gonna get everything unloaded, and then tomorrow we're gonna have one banger of a truck show. Probably one of the most memorable truck shows I went to last year. I blew up my Camaro, I blew the axle out of Megan, and just a whole bunch of shenanigans. It's an awesome show. Dirt drag races. There's burnout contests. There's a show and shine. There's a dyno. Every redneck in Indiana is there, and Ohio, and Illinois, and everywhere else, all the way from fucking Nevada to goddamn Philadelphia. So, should be a party. Just do it.
Hey, yo, is that Mexican OT? That good dog got me looking just like Johnny
thing. Louis Vuitton umbrella when I walk through the rain. In the kitchen whipping chicken, kind of bread like Cane's. Good dog, got a Mexican liquor like Johnny Dane. Eat deep muddy water stick, carry my cane. Right pocket got money, left pocket cocaine. Bulletproof white Cadillac riding in the tank. I'm a dirty bad baby from dirty bag with a dirty case. Slide down your block, light it up with flames. Chopping on the block, while the leg doing jumper jacks. Smoking on the wood, yellow timber like it's lumberjack. Suppressor on the Mac 10, sounding like it's bubble wrap. TV in the shower, I'ma give his ass a bubble bath. Choppers and choppers, little bitch, I got a whole lot of that. With the steel, I'ma kill ya, I got him falling back. Got me feeling like a baby that's fiending, so with my body let, I'm just rhyming words, I don't even know how to rap. Every time that they see me, better believe it, I'm flossed up. Got crossed up, dick in the dirt, then I bounced up. I'll be catching these plays, fuck around and get moused up. I'll be eating the booty, let's to get it tossed up. Pop trunk on the hatter while we waving goodbye. I'm from Lone Star, sipping lean with pecan pie. I don't play by respect for that, we gon' die. Time and money, so baby believe I'ma be on time.
So we're filming rollers. I have not driven cocaine since Cole redid everything. Oh my god, does this thing run insane.
It smokes a little bit.
Just a tiny bit more fuel.
And your filmer then is...
Whoever wins this thing, let's just keep it in tune 1 for all of eternity. Then you can see. Well, not you. The people behind you can see. And on the other side of the highway can see. And everywhere in the state that you live in can see. The president called. He's wondering why nobody can see on I-95 for 5 miles. So, as you guys know, or maybe would not, did we tell them that we were doing this? Surprise! Cocaine is back. I mean, it didn't really leave for you guys, but it left for me. I didn't get to drive it for like 2 weeks, but it is a totally different truck now, thanks to Cole Motors. First off, biggest thing, interior, when this truck came back into my possession, what's terrible? It's like an ex that will just not leave you alone. Oh! See, actually, Brandon lives inside this truck now because of how comfy everything is. Brand new race seats. These are actually the same exact style race seats that I had in Murder Ram, and those were like my favorite second gen interior ever. So brand new brackets, everything's all painted. It's really, really, really nice. Thank you, Cole Motors. Also, can't have a race truck if you don't have a steering wheel from AZA Auto. So feels like you're driving an absolute NASCAR whenever you drive it. Cruise control actually works and everything, so all the buttons are here. We don't have a horn still because, you know, it's a second gen. If you have a horn in a second gen, that thing belongs in a museum. So I don't have a horn in my second gen, sorry. First shifter is still the same. We got a tuner, an Edge comp box. It has the juice now.
Attitude on steroids.
Juice with attitude on steroid. This thing, I drove it up and down that road for about 5 minutes. It shut down the road. Like, you couldn't see the next county over. I think the fire department actually got called because all the smoke rising from the street in Mexico. Yeah, it runs amazing now. The turbos spool perfectly. We got this thing completely dialed. I'm actually kind of sad that in 25 days or something like that, give or take, it will be out of my possession and it will be sitting in one of your driveways. I hope whoever wins this knows how to drive. Also, doesn't have neighbors. If you have neighbors, you're gonna want to move far away into the desert so then you can do like 200-mile-an-hour passes. Yeah, this thing is completely perfect. Now it's got a wrap outside from Mittens Customs Lamborghini Pearl White, 22x12 American Forces Reptino 420Vs because race truck. Got traction bars. Got a twin turbo 24 valve Cummins. Got a 364 over an S475. Big injectors. Hot rod VP44. Firing heads, head studs, 6-speed NV5600 transmission. Blah 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 blah. Everything you need to be the baddest motherfucker everywhere you go. And it could be yours. All you have to do to get entered is click the link above or in the description below to get entered today. Super simple. And for the next 48 hours, we're doing a ×3 entry multiplier. So take advantage of the sale, get entered today. Yeah, we are here at Freedom Truck Meet. We're gonna head over to the booth. Everything's all set up, looking pretty, and then we're gonna enjoy the show.
Test me, yeah. Good blood, drip, go woo on a drip.
on it, then I put my grind on it. Put the iron on them if a nigga my opponent. My code 500 on, put no miles on it. I was running wild, homie, with 500,000 on it. Going to the driller, but the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah. I'm tryna fuck you on your bestie, yeah. Chopper with the skull, so do not test me, yeah. With the flood trip, go woo on the bitch. 87 dollars, put the coupe on my wrist. $multi-million, I'm a fool with the hits. Hop up in the lemon, drop the roof, show the tits. Put my phone, got the game with the phone. Bought my purple pocket, got some brain on me. Nigga, we used to kick it, how you hang on me? Hop in the Bentley, pop and blow the brains out. We not the same, my nigga, we funding off the bitch. And with your brain, yeah, we bought you like it's an auction, ain't it? Get the chopper, 100 round total, like it's a car collision. I made this your mandatory, the means I had to get it. My shooter be begging, please, you ready to whack a nigga? I gave a nigga a dummy, I had to cap a nigga. I'm giving your whole away like she a rapper, nigga. We get added, then we go pray with the plastic structures. Going to the jeweler, but the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah. I'm tryna fuck you in your
Yeah, me and Brandon, we got these real nice monster trucks. They look like monster trucks, right? They're not like nice or anything. So they got a motocross track back there, and my truck identifies as a dirt bike, so we're gonna go treat it like a dirt bike. Like, they legit have a motocross track for monster trucks to drive in. Well, I mean, normally not for these kinds of trucks, it's for an actual monster truck. Like that one right there. Normally it's for those, but they made an exception for me. They said that I can play around with it. Oh God, that is the topic. How do you guys plan on getting home? With the black truck? Hey Brandon, this is a really weird Walmart parking lot. It actually like drives really, really nice on massive jumps. I low-key hit that one way too hard, and I think I broke my shoulder.
It's leaking something.
Well, I'm crying. Yeah, I gotta go wash my truck now because we're kind of like at a truck show, so say goodbye. Oh man, this guy. Oh God, just like old times. Absolutely tearing up everything with my good pal Brandon. That was actually really fun. When I buy 3,000 acres in the middle of nowhere, I'm building 3 of those, and not for dirt bikes, full-size ones, just for monster trucks. Just for monster trucks, because my depression literally out the window when I hit jumps in a thing that should not be hitting jumps. Welcome to my booth at Freedom Truck Meet. Oh, ta-da! We got a new tent, like overnighted from China. It only cost $7,500, but now I can have a booth at a show. Brandon's old pile of garbage. My grandpa's beautiful second gen. The giveaway truck that you can enter to win. And I think there's one more.
GMC.
The GMC?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that's there. Another pile of garbage. A red pile of garbage though. It looks pretty, but it's like pretty garbage. Oh my gravy. That is probably the baddest work truck I've ever seen.
I would say so.
A carbon fiber freaking hood stack.
That was like effortless.
Do you want to not own this anymore?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Hey, he's got some juice back here. Are you aware of your Capri Sun that you left in the bed?
Yeah, that helps. It helps diffuse like all the smoke that comes out.
Yeah. I got you. It's a clean. It makes it run clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you. God.
We have problems as it is loading vehicles up.
Could you imagine?
Enclosed trailer.
So I can't get my truck onto the trailer. It's lower than my Corvette. 2G versus a not 2G. Well, the 2G is gonna win. Jesus. Oh my God.
It had a parachute.
What was that? A Duramax or a fucking Chevelle? I couldn't tell. This is insane. Why are we not a part of this right now, currently? Well, and it's a chick. Hopefully the dirt bikes don't fly out of the bed. Oh my God.
Do you drop the Duramax on this thing?
No.
That'd be baller.
Definitely not. Hey, you have a Mega Cat 4th Gen. I have a Mega Cat 4th Gen.
That is.
Let's go. That's who I'm up against?
Possibly.
So we got this base model Lumiduty. His drive shafts are probably gonna blow out halfway down the track, so we should be. I may have just jinxed myself. I might be the one with perfect drive shafts. My drive shafts didn't break, so I'm in a good mood.
No. There you go. Come on in, baby.
Ooh. Somebody got to hold it down for 2012 F350 burnouts.
Very valid. Cardi would still destroy.
Oh, 100%.
100% times 10.
I'm recording, so I expect the tires to explode.
Hey, God damn it.
What's going on?
Turn the strobe on.
There you go. Not too shabby.
Not bad, not bad.
I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
Should have turned on the wiper blades.
Kevin, what are you doing here? Does this thing even do a burnout?
I thought this was a line for Walmart pickup.
Walmart pickup. What do you
Yes.
got?
Fire extinguisher, because somebody last time did a burnout.
And it caught on fire.
Yes.
What the fuck?
I had to stop spraying it.
He honked and told me, hey, no
That
more.
was a
no
700 shot.
I can taste the nitrous.
All right, so burnout contest is going on. Obviously, I can't watch everybody else have fun and not have fun too. So
It's a max.
I just bought new tires. That's a squatted dually, but it's not a dually, so I'm really confused. It likes a heater though, while almost dragging the hitch. Sick. It's on fire.
How did your trunk catch on fire?
What is up with these people not using fuses?
His battery caught on fire. It's one of them Volkswagens.
That's hot!
So what's going on here?
We're gonna do a little baby burnout, nothing special.
Jesus Christ!
We still got some time. I'll leave it on there.
Gabe, one more. Level it out. Level it out. Level it out. Literally to the cords.
Sorry, I'll do better next time.
I think we were just trying to hotbox it for real. Holy cow, I think I just got...
Oh, it honestly really didn't even get that hot. 220 coolant. This thing loves burnouts for some reason. I don't get why. I'm gonna tow the trailer home. Bro, look at that excursion. Holy shit. You want to trade? Yeah?
Soccer mom.
I'll entertain it. You know, everybody's always like, Gabe, why don't you buy this? Gabe, why don't you buy that? Well, every single video cost me at least $4,000. Every single video for the past 5 videos running these tires. I know they're the tires I just bought. I do, and they're on my hand and on my face and on my legs and
on the
everywhere else.
Doesn't even look like anything happened.
Be sure to like, comment, subscribe so I can afford new tires.
Rockstar, but I don't ride no motherfucking bike. I get too high for that shit, so I can't play with my life. Caked up, so I buy whatever I think I like. I said I was done buying ice, nigga, psych. Parked the Rari at the crib and came back in the Bentley. Codeine what I'm sipping, gelato I'm twisting. Got on too much ice, hard for the bitch to pay attention. Man, it's just like Dennis. I got racks like Venice. I put East St. Laurent on my bitches. Bought my little South Memphis bitch some titties. Nothing but moolah when I talkin' every sentence. Nigga, I treat a demon like a Hemi. Unlimited racks, bitch, how you love that? Smoking kush in the back of the Maybach. Hey, how you love that, bitch, how you love that? Unlimited racks, bitch, how you love that? How you love that, bitch, how you love that? How you love that, bitch, how you love that? How you love that, bitch, how you love that? Unlimited racks, bitch, how you love that? Hey, unlimited racks, unlimited racks. I just got some sloppy from your girl and sent her back. Snatch her from the back, then put her out like Janet Jackson. On the top floor of the Trump Towers, music blasting. Now I can't fuck with something right now because I'm fasting.
Where they at?
Alright, I think I found the best engine bay at this whole show. Now, prepare yourself because it's a lot to handle. That right there is a sleeved 5967 garbage Cummins with nitrous. Everybody and their mother is loading up. Even my grandpa. Hi! 4th gen, Mega Cab, giveaway truck, GMC. All of them have to come home to Antarctica. But my 4th gen is kind of out of commission almost. I don't know, it's almost DOT approved, but the GMC is just as bad because I like doing burnouts on that one too. So freaking psychopath. That's why we don't buy stuff from Brandon ever, because that's how he beats everything.
Do they have a blown head gasket?
It literally has a blown head gasket right now.
Nice. Hey, 30,000, I don't know what I have.
Yeah, 70,000. He knows what he
70?
doesn't have.
Yeah.
Yeah, it fucks. Needs Jake Texas, but it fucks. Welcome to Ohio, where we just go home with random truck parts, even though I don't need my second gen light.
Fucking baller, Kevin.
Yeah.
Ah! Lord! One more!
I don't got it anymore.
I can't go any further.
We got it.
I got one thing to say. We out here, baby.
Why is that actually hard?
You know, I'm getting really tired of washing thousands of dollars in tires off the paint in this truck. Ooh, idea, quick, get a bucket, fill it up with tar. We'll fill it up so much that we can make 2 more tires.
Yes.
And then we don't have to buy anymore. It will be like recycling tires. That's like the cheat code to life. We can do as many burnouts as we want. Wow. All we have to do is detail it about 17 more times and maybe it'll be half of the truck as what I bought it. Like, it was so nice, and then I just absolutely demolished it. No wonder why she won't let me drive the truck.